What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy back at it again with the delayed vlogs. So we did a lot this week, but I didn't get to vlog it. But I'm lying to you, I didn't do anything this week actually. But we're gonna do something today. We bought a new car, so I'll show you guys that in just a few seconds. We bought it from the mainland. Didn't come out here as like we thought it would. Sorry, there's some lawn work going on outside. But we bought it, bring it down. Took like 2 weeks to ship to Hawaii, and didn't come out as planned. There was more dents than we thought there would be. Well, there was just one specific dent that we didn't know until it came here. So we're gonna go pull that, see if we can pull that out, pop it out real quick. And then other than that, I think we're good to go. My engine bay is done, so we're gonna paint that. I'll show you guys the paint soon. And yeah, mainly we're gonna be focusing on this this car that I'm gonna show you soon.
Ask about me, I'm gonna bust a move. Red James, 33 chains.
I don't know.
Ocean now, losing Biscayne. Yeah. Top off, God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, yeah. Boosting my adrenaline, bitch. Percocet, yeah. Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on. Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a chick.
So we popped it out as much as we could. Not too bad now. Now we just gotta smoothen it down and make it up nice. That's what this side looks like. Almost done. Right here. You're good to go. Give you the same angle that I got earlier. There you go. Just gonna hit it with this. All good to go.
Mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet.
What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy. It is Sunday Fun Day, and what are we gonna do today? Guess what? We're gonna cut the fender off the 240. We're gonna cut the rear quarter panel off the 240. Sorry, I'm just waiting for Taylor to move these bottles so we can park. But yeah, today we're gonna be cutting the rear quarter panels off the 240 because whoever put the over fenders on didn't cut the rear quarter panel, which is ridiculous. Because what's the point, right? What's the point of having overs if you're not gonna cut the rear to make it look cool or something? I don't know. But yeah, we're parking our daily at the house, at the mom's house, and we're going to be taking the 240 home, and I'm gonna be cutting the rear quarter off. Basically, that's all we're gonna be doing today. I haven't done this in a while. It's been about maybe 4 years since I've done a 240 like this, cutting the rear quarter. But yeah, see you in the 240. The half one. I want to rivet through it.
actually asked her. And what if she refused? No, it won't be easy asking for that first date.
Say if you that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till them
Yeah.
lights
So we're about to reveal this quarter panel. I've never seen what's under here before. I hope it's not too bad. We know there's been an accident, but we don't know how bad.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you gotta say shit. Everybody else face it. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Just kidding, there's 2 more bolts.
In the dark room, what you trusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you win. You're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all.
Oh, this is a long quarter panel. This is a big quarter panel.
Yeah, ready? Set. Oh.
It's not too bad. Huh? Is that glue? Why would you glue it?
That's spicy. I think this is all bondo. So I think this is all bondo.
I don't think it's as bad as
It's not as bad as I thought it was. I
Yeah.
thought it was untouched.
yeah.
But they did bondo it a lot.
What are you doing?
I don't know, I'm just picking at it. Throw the car away. Okay. So
I'm winning, yeah, I'm winning. I'm winning, yeah, I'm winning. I'm winning, yeah, I'm winning. Rich kid asshole, paint me as a villain. Don't be mad cause I'm doing me better than you doing you. Don't be mad cause I'm doing me better than you doing you. Don't be mad cause I'm doing me better than you doing you. Better than you doing you. Fucking with you, different color.
So this is all the bondo.
Is good. Hammer or muffin? Yeah, take them all off.
Don't make noise when they start.
Ew, what the hell?
Tits.
Disgusting.
Just hammer it up like this.
Yeah, hammer. Then you can cut them again. So you hammer them all the way up. Whatever you can.
Now when you're gonna hammer it.
Yeah, you cut it there.
Yeah.
You can just win the kind of final. And then this one, chop on them all the way up.
This one?
Yeah, upwards, yeah. Put on that stuff, yeah. 2 hands. Hit. Yeah, hit all the so the thing go up and over.
Yeah.
Cause I can't take it no more. No, you ain't like them bitches, tell them hoes adios. Say you can drop your panties, leave them kids at the door. Dior falls on the floor, I swear we've been here before. I'm trying to see you from my own perspective. You all in my section, trying to come to my section. We rolling up pressure, you know that we flexing. We bought all blessing. You can fly away now. Now you want trust. Pennies on the stretcher, your head get a mess. The feeling we catch. My love is a blessing. Make love in the Lexus. Make love in the Lexus. I know you remember. Tell me it's such a double. You want me and I want you. Tell me it's such a double. Baby, it ain't nothing else. Tell me it's that deja vu. 'Cause you want me and I want you. Tell me it's that deja vu. 'Cause baby, this ain't nothing new. Oh, you like that? I told you that I need affection. So let me put you in the right direction.
A spray paint?
It's making it nicer.
Black spray paint?
Yeah.
I just say,
That's
say
nice.
something, yo. I'm gonna roll out in that no. If you wanna do what I wanna do, well, I guess that it's just deja vu. Tell me it's that deja vu. You want me and I want you. Tell me it's that deja vu. Baby, it ain't nothing now. No. Tell me it's that deja vu.
I thought you were gonna clean it. So Gabby said that Jez just got home. He didn't come home last night. And she said, but it's weird now because they set some guidelines and
What's poppin'? So today was so hectic. Didn't get to film too much behind the scenes, but this is what the car looks like now. Looks super good. So what did we do for you? We put on her license plate frame that she's been begging me to put on. Washed the car. Finally cut the wall, so if you can see. If you see up here, there's no wall to be seen. All cut now. Good. So that's good. We cut it all the way. Made it really clean. I vacuumed the car so it looks real nice. I put a seatbelt on for Taylor, right there. And yeah. What else did I do? Oh, I put less holes, so we're gonna have to bodywork these. So hole here, here, because there's too much screws. That's why. That's why I'll wipe the rims, kind of, sort of. This one, we're gonna bodywork this next. That's our next on the list. We're gonna make it fit nicer. And then we might build this out. That way it fits great. But yeah, other than that, we're good to go. Cleaned it up real nice. Today was a very productive day. Thanks for watching. If you like the videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Put the little bell on the side. We're trying to reach 50 subscribers, so let's get there. You have anything to say? Thanks for following, thanks for watching, and have a good week. We'll see you next week.